Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to all the new viewers. Welcome back to those that are returning. This is Rose's Blossom and I am Jamara. It is Friday, so everyone better be feeling good. You better be feeling great. I hope you never felt any better because you already know that's how I feel. That's how I feel. Yay! But today I've got a mukbang video for you. But you know what? I've also got something special because I decided I'm gonna cook tonight. I was gonna get takeaway. So how about I show you some of my amazing cooking? You already know. Right, so I started to pretty much like salt everything, my seasonings and that. I've got some pepper, some chicken seasoning, though I'm not eating meat, some basil, some garlic, and some everyday seasoning with some thyme. Cannot forget your thyme. About to chop up these onion, that onion, the peppers, and then the garlic as well. Got my spaghetti that I'm about to put in the water and my corn on the cob and everything ready to go. Crap. This actually isn't even spaghetti. And I wasn't even paying attention. I've had this in my cabinet for some time. So now, I'm gonna go to the shop to go and get some actual spaghetti. Right. Adult life, I'm telling you, man. This is stuff you gotta deal with. So, I guess I'll be right back. Right, thank goodness. I've got literally a one stop, like 30 seconds around the corner from my house. So I was able to go and get some spaghetti. I've already got salt in my water. So, I think that this should be roughly enough. Woo. Who does this and like actually eats the spaghetti? Yummy. But for a little bit more, just in case, I never really, I know you don't need a lot of spaghetti to get a lot of spaghetti, but I just never really know the proportion that I should do, so there's a little extra. Right, also need to put a little bit of oil so that my spaghetti don't stick. I'm just going to put a little bit, not too much. There we go. And that's going to ensure that it doesn't stick together. Corn's boiling. I'm about to actually put some oil in that pan. That way, as I'm cutting up and chopping up the peppers and that, the oil couldn't get hot, so I'm putting a bit of oil in that now. Some butter for the corn. You got a butter my corn. If you notice, I've got 3 pieces of corn. It's because I really like corn. With no other reason but the fact that I really like corn. And you know, sometimes when I'm eating corn, as I am like eating my dinner, and I finish the corn, I think to myself, I wish I had another piece of corn. And I usually do, but then it's for like the next day's dinner or something. So yeah. But now I've got to turn on my fire, my stove, not fire because there's no fire coming from here. But I'll put it at 4 because I don't want it to get too hot too fast while I'm doing chopping up the rest of the things and nuts. I usually do green pepper as well, but I did not have any, so red and yellow it is. I'm gonna chop these up nice and fine. Actually, not chop them, but dice them up, I should say. Dice them. You know what? What day was it? Sunday, I want to say. Well, could be Monday as well. I've got these new knives, Russell Hobbs brand. And I actually, what was I chopping up? I can't remember what I was chopping up, but I literally cut my whole, like, not the whole nail, that's exaggerating. I cut my nail though. Like, it hurt so much. It hurt so much. So now I'm trying to make sure I'm vigilant in how I'm cutting and being careful. And they say to heal knives a certain way and not have to your fingers a certain way, and I don't think I'll be following the rules right. I'm not even gonna lie. But still be chefing it up. Still be chefing it up. My spaghetti's gonna boil fast. That's one thing though, this is like a nice fast meal as well. The longest part, I swear, is what I'm doing right now. I'm prepping. That's the longest part. Got to be. But this is the fun part of cooking. If you don't know me by now, you will never ever ever know me. If you don't know I love onions by now, you will never ever ever know me. Ooh. I already knew that this oil's hot. I'm going to put my fire on low. I think that's enough onions. So I'm going to put my peppers and onions in first because this meat's pretty much already cooked, so to say. So it's not going to take very long. So I want to get these nice and soft. I'll probably have it in there just for like a couple of minutes. Soften up a bit, and then I'll add in the meat. I'll add in the meat. Add a bit of salt to my peppers. Just a little salt to my peppers. So I'm gonna add the other seasonings once I add in the meat. And just add in a little bit of salt. I'm gonna put the top on as well. Let them get soft while I go get my garlic bread. Put that in the oven. Got my garlic bread from Aldi. I like the garlic bread the best. Let's get the garlic bread in the oven. I'm about to add my meat now. These are softened up a bit. It's aromas that are coming from the kitchen right now. Actually, don't need to use it all. Definitely don't need to use it all. No. Let's save some of that. I'm adding my seasonings. Actually, I'm trying to add in a little bit more oil. just a little bit, not much, just a little bit, you know what I mean? Just a little bit. Never ever be afraid to season your food, okay? That's what gives it the taste, the seasons. I don't think I need all of them, but a piece of thyme slipped into the spaghetti. Spaghetti's pretty much done, really. Turn that off. Turn that off. You already know, boy. The thing about cooking like these kind of meats is, obviously if that was like probably it'd be like bear juice coming from that. But I'm about to add in my you know? So yeah, it's supposed to be spicy. But I'm gonna just put the top on this for like, you know, a quick 2 minutes while I sort out this spaghetti. Straight. Just make sure it's cooked. Oh crap. Don't turn the stove off for this one. To burn off. Come on. Alright, let's bring it over here so it don't fall. Actually, I can leave that for like 1 more minute. 1 more minute, I can leave that for. Oh, I hope this tastes nice. It's like the meat don't really give off that spaghetti aroma that I'm used to when I cook spaghetti for my little brother. It does not. Add in a bit of ketchup too. A bit of ketchup too. And I mean a bit, I mean a little bit more than a bit. Oh. I mean a bit, I mean a little bit more than a bit. A little bit more, boy. A little bit more. And I mean a little bit more. I mean a lot more. Right now, I can turn that fire off. And then just let that do what it's gonna do. Do you get me? But that's what it's looking like now. That's what it's looking like now. The garlic bread's getting there. Shmoney getting there. This is how you want your spaghetti to be. Not sticking together, just lovely. So adding in a bit of oil to your water will make sure that that doesn't happen without you constantly having to, like, you know. My corn's pretty much done. It's just a matter of waiting for the garlic bread. But yeah, this is what it's like cooking in Rose's Blossom's kitchen. You already know. I'll show you the end result. Booyah! Welcome back. Food is cooked, ready to be eaten. I'm honestly nervous to try like the meat though. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm always so nervous to try something new because I never know if I'm gonna like it. But I'm not even gonna be able to hardly face your expression if I don't like it. That's gonna be tight because I made it myself. Right. Ooh. Ooh. That's hot. That's real hot. But the taste was okay, you know, what taste I got. Ooh. Not even lying. You can tell face expression. That was nice. It was nice. That is nice. It just burnt the crap out of me. Bloody hell, it's hot. But it tastes really nice. I'm so excited. I'm so thirsty as well. If you missed last week's video, I spoke about what is it? Oh, I spoke about when I first got my teeth, which happened to fall on my birthday, which is October 11th. Which, if you remember, my first official video about like the accident, I posted on my birthday, October 11th. You know what also happened on my birthday? I was in primary school, and they announced Head Girl. It was on my birthday. What else is like a few things happened on my birthday. October 11th is just a great day, a really great day. So yeah, I spoke about that, a bit about my first day of school, how I felt a little bit. Didn't go into that too much, but actually I'll talk about another one of my surgeries. This one, I don't even know why he would do something like this to me. Like, this was actually torture. God dang, god dang. Oh, it's hot. Wow. If you know me, you know I like my food hot. So anyways, I told you before about one of the surgeries that he did on like my top lips. That didn't quite go as planned. And that's because my top lip wasn't getting the correct blood flow that it needed. So he did something, I can't remember, it's called a flap something. But what he pretty much did was took blood, like he did something where he like, cause this one got like a scar right here that came from one of the surgeries. But he pretty much took some of the skin to kind of like flip up from the bottom lip to transfer like some of the blood, if that makes any sense. But this surgery, I needed to have my lips stitched from here to there, completely together like this. In the middle, stitch, because the blood was being transferred from like the bottom lip to the top lip for 2 damn weeks. Couldn't talk, couldn't eat for a while. Damn, if you know me, you know how much I love food. I found a way to get that video. My mom used to literally just shake her head. But yeah, completely just stitched down the middle. And I remember one of the first things I ever ate was a french fry. It was because these sides were open, and because I didn't have like my teeth in, though I couldn't really open my teeth to really chew, I could still get the food in where I was missing the teeth, so I would just like maneuver it in. But I was eating French fries to start off with. Still a little bit hot. Because I needed real food. I have to drink Insure. It's like some liquid through a straw for 2 weeks. Like that was supposed to, because it was sort of like it had all the nutrients that I needed. So that was supposed to, yeah, be my meals, but I wasn't having it. As soon as I got out of that hospital, I was trying to find ways to eat food. Literally, popsicles, anything that I could break off and kind of put in my mouth through the side. That was it. I was trying it. But you know what I even ate? I don't even know how I end up eating this because bloody hell. But a cheeseburger, like an actual cheeseburger, broke that thing off too and put stuff that right to the side. You can't, Food? No, don't do that. Don't do that. It's not gonna end well for anyone. This really tastes good. I would definitely recommend that meat. It's got like a really good texture, because I used to eat corn before, but that's not really good for you. But the meat still had like a weird texture, so it was a bit weird. But this one has like a normal sort of like meat texture, and then because it's already been like seasoned nice and got the other flavors, it's tasting really good. And I promise you, I'm not saying that just because I made it. I'm excited because last time I had spaghetti with like meat, whether it's not meat, it was over 2 years. Lately, I've just been having it with beans. I'm so happy right now. But yeah, after my 2 weeks, I had to get another surgery to reverse what he had done to put like the lip back. And that surgery was a success. So that was like, yes. The first surgery wasn't a success because of the fact that the top lip was pretty much dead. Like there was no blood circulating through the top lip as it should. So that surgery that he did allowed the blood to be restored and it's not flowing properly. Honestly, my lip is still not how like I want it. If that makes any sense. So if like I take a picture from the side, you can still see the lips. I don't even know if you can call it swollen 10 years later, no, 15 years later. But it still looks as if it is slim. I don't know if you can tell. But it just comes out some and I don't like it. So, yeah, but, you know, it is what it is. Here's my mama. Like I slap her right now. That's how good this food tastes. Makes me want to slap my mama. The best part about having implants, just eating the corn, thinking about it, is when I had dentures, I wasn't able to bite into corn like this. If I did, my teeth could easily come out. Or if I didn't have teeth, I'd have to go like from the corners. Like, sometimes you might start to notice that certain things I do chew from, because my teeth start from like right here. These are my teeth going around. And I lost more teeth on this side than on this side, if that makes any sense. So I can always like bite from this side. It's harder to bite from this side, especially because I can't stretch this lip out that far without it hurting. So yeah. I do that with certain foods because I'm always afraid to crack these teeth and break them or something. See, I finished that corn and I want this one and I'm gonna eat it too. Yes I am. I'm gonna eat that corn. I'm gonna eat that corn. I'm gonna eat that corn. Wait, something new, man. I told you something new. You're saying, what is this girl doing? You didn't like the sandwich, baby? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That garlic mixture's coming through. It's like, that's like a nice taste. The garlic, bread. But yeah, I'm not even lying. I'm trying to be a fool already. Fat, that's irritating. I never like started working out and my stomach is shrinking a bit. That'd be a good sign. If that's the case, then I don't mind getting full fast. I don't mind getting full fast, but but yeah. So imagine all that was. So 2 weeks of not being able to talk. 2 weeks of me being a bit like trying to get irritated because people can't understand me now. That's my brother taking a piss out of me. And when I would say something, he'd be like, like, tell you what you say, you don't understand me. I'm like, that's tight. Excuse me. But yeah, guys, what did you think of my cooking? Should I do some more videos like that, where I cook first and then record as I eat what I cook? What do you think? Let me know. I've got cornhole in my mouth right now. I can't even draw. No, certain things like touch certain parts of my lip. I don't feel it. Like, it's weird. I don't know if like some sensation was lost a bit in like different parts. I don't know. I don't know. Look. Maybe that's why you shouldn't talk and eat. Jeez. You choked on a corn and nibble it. Alright, a couple more bites. Eat the rest of this garlic bread. And then I'm full. Actually full. But again, if you want to see more videos like this, you gotta like let me know in the comments, you know? Let me know in the comments, because if you don't let me know, how am I supposed to know? Always looking for some ideas and things like that. We think, tomorrow try this. Let me know, message me. I'll try it. But yeah, next Friday, in the next video, depending on feedback that I get, or really depending on the type of video it will be. But yeah, make sure you tell a friend to go subscribe. Also, I'm on TikTok, Roses Blossom 11. Go and follow that. TikTok is fun. It's so fun. I uploaded my first dancing video this week, and it was so much fun. I really enjoyed it. Even doing it, having to redo it over so many times to get that perfect take. It was so much fun. I really, TikTok is, I'm not addicted to it like I can be. Of course, I've had some really good self-discipline, but that is an addictive, like, type of social media, because it's just videos after videos after videos, and all it is just a matter of like swiping up. But yeah, make sure you go follow that. But saying that, also if you haven't already, make sure that you go and follow my Instagram, bitches. Roses Blossom. Go follow that. Go follow that. But also, don't forget to subscribe and tell a friend to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up and spam the comments. Would you like to see another video of me cooking and then eating? Except I'm really stuffed right now. I'm really stuffed. Yeah. But yeah. Let me know. And you already know. Share. Because you can't go. You do. Tell me you don't. Be brave and tell me you don't. No, Bob. Don't do that. Don't tell me you don't. Right. I'm going to leave you with this. Do not forget that success is the sweetest revenge. And roses are red. My rose is pink. Always remember, you are what you think. And that's real. Yeah! Check y'all later, folks. Gang. Wait. Gang.